Hey guys, hope all is well. What we're looking at today is we didn't have much success with our carrots that we've got. We're putting that down to a couple of things, one being the soil it's in. So today, what we're going to look at and what we're going to take you through is improving this soil to give our carrots the best possible start when they go ahead. So this is our homestead, Ecotopia-OZ. I'm Rob, your friendly Quazzy. That's a Kiwi Aussie. Let's take a look. Alright guys, like I said, what we've got is the soil that we had wasn't the best for growing carrots. It needs to be a bit looser so that the carrot can get down in it. We only had about 6 sprout. So what we're going to look at doing today is take out those 6, and we're looking at putting in a few more sprouts so that we've got some stuff to go on with. But we're going to improve that soil and add a couple of extra things to hopefully give these carrots a real good boost. So what we need for the soil is something a bit better for the carrot to actually penetrate down into. So what we've got is we've got a few propagating things we're going to look at. We've got some coarse sand, some vermiculite. So both of those mixed with the native soil will give a bit more aerated area for the carrots to penetrate down into. So we're going to mix that with the native soil. We're also going to mix in some water crystals just to help with everything there. And I'm also going to add in a bit of Osmocote plus your organics for a bit of fertilizer in there as well. Then we're going to replant our 6 carrots that we've got and throw in a few extras. So let's get into it and let's start mixing up some soil. All right, so what we've done is we've scooped out the native soil we had here. It's not too bad, but what we're going to do is going to make it a lot better. So we've scooped that out. We've ended up with about 20 to 25 litres of this soil here. We're going to mix in the 5 litre bag of the propagation sand, 5 litre bag of the vermiculite, mix that all up. Going to put in roughly a cap full of the water crystals and about half a cup of this here, and we'll mix it in. This is a 6-month slow release fertilizer, so this will help them really boost over their growing time and everything like that. It's got a good NPK balance, which is really what we need for everything here. So what I'll do now is I'll get into it, I'll mix all this together, and we'll come back after I've done that. See you soon. All right, so we've mixed everything up. So we've got some nice loose soil here, but before we get into putting this back in here, I just wanted to show you why we did it. So as you can see here, the soil is not too bad. It clumps together, but it's not really that loose for the carrots to grow through. That's why we added this extra stuff in. As you can see, it still balls up, but look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Good loose soil for our carrots to really get into. So that's why we did it, because this, with a bit of moisture, she clumps up and not the best for those carrots. All right, so got them all planted, got them in while we were here. Anna wanted to buy some broccoli today, so we got some broccoli. Probably not the right time of year for it, but hey, what the hell, let's give it a go, eh? Carrots have gone back in. We've given them a good water to start with, just in underneath, not on the leaves. And then when it gets a bit cooler later on this afternoon, we'll give everything a good water, even the rest of the gardens and everything. But that's the process that we've gone through to improve the soil a bit for our carrots. So look, we'll touch back with you in a few weeks and see how we go. But look guys, if you've really liked what you've seen today and you like what we're doing here, give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can see what we're bringing out. generally try and get something out on a weekly basis, so hit that little notification bell so you know when we've got something new up, and we'll go from there. Whack a comment down below because we'd love to know how you all think we're going with everything. All right, guys, until next time, see you soon.